like Coretta. My perks set help feel better. Set the trend, I'm a trendsetter. I'm not arrested, getting cheddar. Out of my wrist, timeless.
Welcome back to the channel. We got some parts finally came in. We got our carbon fiber mirrors finally showed up today. So they are full carbon. These are real carbon fiber. They do have the hole for the lane assist for the mirrors and everything like that. And these are the actual covers for the mirror. So these aren't caps that just go over the top. These, I actually have to take the other ones off. Now, as far as installing these things, I'm a little bit nervous because I was trying to look up some videos on how to remove the OEM covers, and I'm heavy-handed, and when it comes to trying to like be real precise with stuff, sometimes I can be a little bit too heavy-handed, and I don't want to break my mirror. And I saw a video of a guy, he was trying to replace his to give to another guy, and
so what you don't want to do is flex the mirror too much,
like I've just done there.
Okay.
At the end of the day, he was just saying to be just more gentle with it, which I may try to do it if I can. I want to try it, but then again, I'm like, I don't want to break anything. So, because the parts for these cars are just a dime a dozen, they're kind of hard to get, and I don't want to fuck up anything. So I will say one thing that I feel like I got lucky with. When I got the windows tinted on the Scion, I remember finding this inside of the door seal, which I think was left in here or something, I'm not sure, but it is like a little pry tool, and I remembered that I had this. So this I'm probably going to use on the mirrors, so we're going to see what we can do with that. And I think all you need is this and a T30 Torx bit. I believe I have that, so this is all we need. So we're going to give it a try. If I can't get that mirror to pop off with a little bit of pressure that I'm applying, I'm probably just gonna give up on it and just have a shop do it or something, because I don't want to break anything on the car, like I said. But I believe the first thing you want to do is get the mirror in a certain position. So I'm going to turn it to this side, and I believe you want to like angle it the best way to get behind the mirror. Extremely nerve-wracking, but as you guys can see, I got this one popped out. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this the rest of the way out and check and see what else I need to get done. We got these super duper small Torx bits right here. I think it's like 2 or 3 of them. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I have that and then get those removed. And I believe that's all you need. That'll remove this black cover real quick for me. 2 little screws right there, and then this cover is able to come off. Now it does look like there's a clip right there for the sensor right there, but I do have that on that one, so it looks like I'll have to just install that piece right there onto the new one. Alright, there we go. So I put the 2 screws back, added the sensor back in, and then popped the mirror back in. So now I just need to double check, make sure the mirror works, and we should be good. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but now I gotta just make sure everything I put back works. Now, as far as the sensor for the mirror, since I didn't show it on the other side, there's going to be a small clip right there. You're going to want to press that clip in, and you're going to push the sensor outwards. So the sensor is going to go outside of the mirror like that. And then you'll just reinstall it on the mirror. And you're just going to slide it from this side, and you'll just have it installed like this. Now, make sure when you are purchasing these carbon fiber caps, if your car does have the sensors like that, that you get the caps with the sensor hole in them. And there we have it. We got our new carbon fiber mirrors installed. Alright, we are headed to Charlie's shop right now. I have to change out the downstream oxygen sensor on a check engine light. This is like probably the first little part that's ever gone bad. A little bit on the expensive side for a O2 sensor, but it's easy to change, you know what I'm saying? It's just screw on, screw off, so I ain't really worried about it. Woo. Damn, this bitch sounds so damn good, boy. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah.
We were just talking about you today.
Really?
Yeah, because I was like, last time I was here, the dude gave me his card.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Let me get another card.
Yeah, I got you. I think I got one in my wallet.
Yeah, I'm finna sell this car, so when I get my C6 Z06,
okay. Got the mirrors out here busting in the sunlight. So what I'm gonna do eventually, probably either this week, I'm gonna fully detail this thing, and I'm gonna ceramic coat the carbon fiber bits because I don't want any of the clear coat fading or anything like that. So I'm gonna fully ceramic coat this car and get everything cleaned up. The wrap has arrived, so I do have my new wrap in. I got the new color in. I'm not gonna say what it is yet, but it is here. And I've already scheduled with Trend to get the car wrapped, so hopefully we stay along those time frames, and this thing's gonna change big time. Okay. Looking good. We got Cobra with a Procharger. Sound good. Sounds good though, real good with that Procharger on it. I don't think I posted it on here, but I had one of those. I had a yellow Cobra. I put it on here. I had a Terminator. If you guys don't know, I did have a Terminator Cobra, and then I had the GT500, the 2020 Shelby GT500. So I've had like 3 generations of Cobras. If you're new to the channel or haven't seen them before, so I kind of know what these cars can do. Especially if it's still the 4.6. It sounds good, but it just don't got enough. Like, he ain't got enough. He ain't got enough. You don't got enough, man. It sounds good, Procharged Cobra, but I'm telling you, man, I've been doing it for so long. I kind of know what they can and can't do. I'm sorry. He had his daughter in the car. Hey, cool man, cool guy. He gave me a thumbs up. At least he wasn't butthurt about it. It's that time, gym time today. I'm trying to get used to using the camera a little bit more in the gym. I really don't like bringing the camera in the gym. Got some legs to do for people. Hours, like a dumbass, so. I hate when I can't find no good music. It's the whole workout. The main shit that be pissing me off at the gym, bro. I'm sitting here waiting. People sit on their phone all the damn time.